Hey, so I really wanted to share this tool that I've built to make doing honor runs a little bit easier. I really enjoy honor mode. I've done it a bunch of times, but it still poses a challenge. But one of the core issues that I have with it is that because it is hard, you end up basically going back and forth between like different guides, like an Excel that I built for myself, maybe like different builds you're trying to incorporate. And to me, that takes part of the core content and the fun and the immersion that I have with the game. So I basically built a little overlay. It can stay here and like it's a little animated move with your favorite character. And then what you can do is a couple of things, and I'm going to explain why this is useful to me. So one is you have like a pinned objective. Like, okay, right now I know I want to go fight the Dwegar. I know more or less what I am, and I kind of like can try to stay in the game and figure out what my next objective is. The second one is I might wanna ask a question on the chat. So like, where am I now? So I may want to ask a question of this, like with screenshots and context. This, by the way, either uses a model, like a model that you install on your computer, like Quen 4 billion, or you can use a public LLM. And other things you can do here is basically like look this, what is this objective about in more detail, and pick around different objectives and things that you might want to do and switch around for Act 1 if you change your mind and you have like other priorities. Like now I could go, maybe I could go forge the Susur weapon and so on, because I just finished the fight by the Susur Blooms. Another thing, I could change my party members. It shows the distribution of points, kind of like the things that you're supposed to do. Like let's say for Karlach, I think I haven't imported this specific build that I want to run, so I could go put like import this specific build, and that's also, by the way, where we use LLMs for, which is like just to scrape this and transform like a website or like some kind of guide of build into actionable things that you can later use in the tool. And once you've done that, I'm going to assign the build. Okay. Once you've done that, it gives you recommendations for what to do on the level, like how do you want to redistribute the ability points. Maybe you level up, so you want to indicate that so that you can basically know what you're supposed to do at this level. And then like the kind of items that you're meant to have for each specific thing. You can also chase the items, so like set as a target so that now I know what I'm trying to do, and it kind of like reminds me that I'm supposed to do this and so on. And yeah, that's basically what I built. There is another fun thing, like I really like this map for like interactive quick access. I've also added like some kind of like closing screen of like if you are in the act and you want to check all the things you're supposed to get, like equipment, reviews, you can do that. And yeah, that's the tool I've been building. If that's useful to you, I'd love to share with you, get some feedback. If not, please let me know how I can improve it and make it better, if this is something that you would consider using in the future, if you're interested in doing more honor runs. And yeah, thanks so much.